Hello everyone! Today's training is an easy one, but it is something that you will need to do for your Google Level 1 exam. Today we'll create a folder in Google Drive. We'll rename it and share it with someone. We'll also create a Google document and use the Explorer tool to add a picture. We'll also leave a comment about the picture for someone. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I am in my Google Drive. To add a new folder, I have to go to the New button. I'm going to click New. Clicking New, the very first result is Folder. I'm going to choose Folder. It allows me to name my folder. I'm going to call it Notes. And I'm going to say Create. It now has created my Notes folder and put it at the top of my drive. If I don't like the name and I want to rename it, I can do a two-finger tap on my Chromebook or right-click on a PC, and I'm going to go to Rename. I'm going to call this Google Notes. And I'm going to click on OK. To make it stand out, I might want to change the color. Again, two-finger tap or right-click on your PC. I'm going to go to Change Color. I'm going to make this a nice yellow color. Now I have a new folder that's yellow that's called Google Notes. Now I'm going to double-click into that new folder. Naturally, there's nothing in my new folder, but what I want to do is I want to add something to it. Once I'm in the folder, anything that I create will be put into this folder. I'm going to go to New. I'm going to slide down to Google Docs. It's opened up a new Google Doc for me. So now I want to change the name. I'm going to go to Untitled Document, and I'm just going to call this Notes. We have our toolbox at the top. We know that we can change the font, the size, the color. We can make it bold, italicized, and underline, and we can change the alignment. Something that you might not notice is at the bottom corner. This is called the Explorer tool. I'm going to choose Explore. What this does is you can explore more from the web or other results in your Google Drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a picture. I'm going to go up to the magnifying glass and search for a computer. You can see that it gives me web results, images, and anything that I've called computer in my Google Drive. I'm going to go to Images. I'm going to slide down and check out all the pictures for computers. Whenever I select one, it opens up into a larger picture so I can see it very large. And now I can say Insert. I can resize it by clicking on it. And I can go to the handles, making it smaller or larger, pulling those handles. To move it around onto the screen, I want to choose Text Wrapping. And I'm going to click and hold, and I can drag it over. Once I resize my picture, I want to leave a comment for someone who I'm going to share this document with. I'm going to go to the plus sign for the comment. I'm going to add a comment to my Finch robot friend. To make sure that he sees it, I am going to put a plus sign. Once I put a plus sign, it opens up all of my contacts in my email. I want to share it with the Finch robot. I'm going to type in his name. Once I click on the Finch robot, it's going to send him a notification that I shared something with him on this document. Now I'm going to leave the comment. Check out this old computer. I'm going to slide down. I can also assign this for him, but I want to just leave the comment. Once I leave my comment, I have to share it with him. So I'm going to share with one person. I want him to be able to edit the document. Now I'm going to say Comment. That gives the Finch robot access to this document. If you have any questions about adding a folder or adding a document into that folder, or even commenting to a student, give me an email. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next week.